I'm not going to lie, I absolutely love it. I've been here 11 years and I've grown so much with this company.
Yeah, I think it's a really good company to work for.
They've always been considerate about what I want, which has been the best part, I think.
Yes, they treat the engineers well, always concerned about our health and safety, ensuring that we have the right things for our job.
The fact that everyone's so helpful and it's been really easy to get to know everyone.
One of the good things here about the engineering, a lot of them have come through the ranks and know building services inside out.
You know, they always say if you need anything, come and talk to us. Don't be afraid to put your hand up, come and shout out.
So we really like to give people the opportunity for progression here.
I started off as a multi-skilled engineer and yes, I was made lead engineer probably 6 months ago.
I've definitely learned that since being here and it's been nice to see everyone else progress as well as myself.
Training's great. Even today I learn something new every day.
If there are any particular courses you want, then you generally send a request.
We have a budget and we put them on the courses. I think it's excellent.
If you want a good, supportive company that will drive you in the right direction, definitely Cambridge is 100%.
Yes, I would highly recommend it. It's a great team to work for.
I would highly recommend it. As the company grows and expands, there's an opportunity for learning and advancement.
Being able to grow with that, I'm really excited to see, and I'm really excited to be part of it.
Come on board. You won't regret it.